Today I'm taking a look at the ORICO 1TB P10 Plus. Okay, so there is the drive. This actually has two USB-C ports. We have our data port and we have a power delivery 100-watt port. So if we wanted to, we could actually plug our power supply in here and we could supply power to both the drive as well as our laptop. So we would only have one cable going from here to our laptop in the event we want to just set our laptop down and plug everything in. It's just important to know that it has to be 100 watts or less. And we got our LED indicator here on the side. Very nice simplistic design. It's interesting. Yeah, that is in fact a magnet and it will hold itself up. So if you want to use this with a phone or something like that, we could do that. And it does say that that is a 1TB drive. It also comes with this cable. It says that this is good for 20 gigabit. And that is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Really like that flat texture on there. And that does have metal ends with clips so it doesn't fall out. Plug that into a USB 4 port. Okay, and it did pick that up right away. So we've got a couple folders in here. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to copy about 15 gigabytes worth of videos. And we are running at right around 670 megabytes per second. And let's go ahead and do a speed test. Okay, so for sequential 1 byte, 8 process, 1 thread, we got 1086 on the read and 1056 on the write. For sequential 1 byte, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 926 and 933. For the random 4K 32 process, 1 thread, we got 285 and 247. And for the random 4K 1 process, 1 thread, that is the worst case scenario, we got 34 and 58. So overall, these are some excellent speeds for a small external drive. So if you're looking for a little portable drive, especially one that has a magnet on the back, something that you can easily click onto your case, that is going to be an excellent option.